It's in an unprecedented state at the moment, the renewable industry, as in the demand. That's not just UK, that's European and global, because the wholesale energy markets are all linked, and it is artificially linked to gas. And because the gas price is artificially high, it's massively increased the cost price of electricity. And for a commercial point of view, we generally lock into a 3-year contract buying in advance. So people coming out of contracts now, and to look to buy to the next one, their unit price is horrendous, and it really can have an impact on high energy users.
The main challenges tackling climate change is that we need worldwide policies of setting up renewables and conservation areas around the country, around the world. You need to forget about doing the plastic straws, and the one-off items for trying to say that this is what we're doing. It's not good enough. We need full policies that ban one-off plastics and anything like that.
It's now becoming a big thing that people are a lot more in tune to their energy consumption. They're trying to minimise, lose condensate lighting, go to full LED, turn off zones that aren't being used, rather than a factory always being lit when it's unnecessary. They're really looking at where they can scale back more energy efficient products. It's all because we're in this unprecedented situation at the moment where wholesale energy has dramatically risen to these new energy caps. Combining a solar PV with energy storage and an intuitive energy tariff is the best scenario, because traditionally a solar PV will generate energy, cover your base load, then the excess energy will go back to the grid. Incorporating that with energy storage, as soon as the energy storage detects energy is leaving the grid, it will grab it for self-consumption, and it allows you then to time shift. So 8 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock at night, for example, energy from the solar will generate like this. So there's an excess window here which will excess cover your base load, but you want to store that for your self-consumption later on and time shift energy for your later on, and that could then cover your base load all through the night. And that base load we talk about is your fridge, your freezer, your router, computers, anything you've got going on in the background, and as well as your livable loads with your TV and your cooking, etc.
A long-term plan is certainly needed from not just our government but from around the world. There should be a policy set that renewables are part of all builds where possible. One-off plastics should be banned around the world. It's a worldwide problem. It's not just the UK.